Hello and welcome. Today I have the Siemens plug-in plug and the remote control that goes with it. I'm going to show you a bit more in depth of these products, show you how to set them up. Really simple, really easy and absolutely brilliant for home automation. So like for your Christmas lights or like lamps at the side of tables, you can set them to go on and off at certain times of the day. So if you're away on holiday, you can set them to go on and off whenever you don't need. There's no clunky big wheel on it that you've got to turn and then you've got to push pins in that hurt your fingers. You can do it all on an iPad or you can do it on the computer. Don't need any special software or anything like that. It's all online browser based and it's absolutely brilliant. Right, I'm going to go and plug these in and then I shall set them up. Well, no, I'm not going to set them up. I shall show you how to set them up and then there you go. Right, so here we go. I have the little plug plugged in and I've plugged a heater into there so that you can just see when it turns on more easily. But yeah, there's the plug plugged in. You've got a little LED on the front. You've got a little button on the side just there. I don't know if you can see that. Just there, that little button, so you press it and the light will go blue to tell you it's on, and then you press it again and it will go orange to tell you it's off. So I'm going to plug this in and I shall show you how easy it is to set up. So now you're set up, so you can use it manually just by pressing the button on the side, so you can see that goes on and turns off again. But you can also use this remote. So what you need to do to set up this remote is on the side of this device there's a little button. You press and hold until it flashes. There you go. So it's flashing blue and red, blue and orange. So all you simply do is press the button on there, the on button on there, to register it. And now that it's flashing blue like that, it means it's registered and now it's ready to use. So if I press the on button there, it's not going to work. Bugger. Right. I have set it up wrong. I will be back. Right, so I'm back. This is a different plug now because this one here I actually tried to set on fire to see if it would do anything really bad, or like would it explode or like catch fire and set the house on fire. So I did it in a controlled environment. I put a lot more energy for it than it should have had. Not like a normal house plug would be. As you could see just a minute ago, it was working absolutely fine, bar from the remote. You couldn't use the remote to turn it on and off, but apart from that you could use the button to turn it on and off, and there was no smoke or anything. When I plugged it in and put way too much power in, it did go pop, it did go bang, but then after about 5 minutes I plugged it back in and it was working absolutely fine, bar from the remote control not working. So I'm thinking that a little receiver in here has just broke. So I'm glad that it doesn't, if it goes wrong, it doesn't burn my house down. But yeah, so and it looks absolutely fine. So yeah, but this is the one that actually works. So if I do it again, so if I press and hold onto the side, because I haven't set this one up yet, so if I press and hold the button on the side until it flashes, there we go, and then if I press this one on, it will go blue as per usual like last time, and then if I was to, I'm going to plug this in, there we go. Now if I were to press the on button on here, it will turn itself on. If I was to press the off button, which is this side, it will turn off. Sorted. And yeah, so there we go. We got the remote control and this little socket. As you can see, this is actually this socket behind. So this actual faceplate is, if you've seen my other video, is a part of the Siemens range. And you can see the Siemens there. The Siemens range of home and automation. So you can get electrical devices such as these faceplates or these plugs or these remotes. You can also get light bulbs, which I've actually got one up there, which I can't really show you because it's too bright. And yeah, they do the Lightwave RF Wi-Fi home link. You get energy monitors, you can have heating, and you've got all sorts. So, but I was just doing a simple video just to show you how to set the plug and the remote up. You can use the plug on like the iPad app, so you can have it remotely turn on and off through the iPad app and other stuff like that. I will show you the iPad app in the future if people like this video and if they want any questions answered. So there we go. Alright, thanks guys for watching me set up the Siemens plug. I did have one hiccup that I put the wrong plug in, but it's absolutely fine. I put this one in, which is the one that I tried to burn and it didn't work. This is the brand new one, so yeah. But thanks for watching guys. As again, if you like my videos, then like my videos down below. If you dislike them, then dislike them if you want. But if you like my channel, then please subscribe at the top, in the top corner if you're watching on an iPad, which is what I always do. If you're watching on a computer, then I think it's still up in the top corner up that way, or I don't know if my camera flipped the image. But yeah, if you like my channel, then please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, then please leave them down below. Alright? Brilliant. Goodbye.